Want to help stop cyberbullying in 1 minute? Watch this. If you see someone being harassed online, report it immediately. To learn how, visit adl.org. Click on the link that says Combating Hate, and then click on Cyber Hate. From here, you can learn the hate speech policies of various online platforms. Cyberbullying is a growing problem that affects up to 35% of youth. But if you have even 1 minute, there's something you can do to help. Come on, let's show them what you can do.